on the other hand, implements stochastic hill climbing by generating successors randomly until one that is generated better than the current state. So it will keep on generating stochastically successors of current node till I generate one successor which is better than this. यानी मैं क्या करूँगा? Say suppose I start at a node, current node है मेरा h value है say 5. Okay, out of I will just randomly select one node, one state by doing some random manipulations to the state representation. Then whatever is that state, I'll just evaluate what is its h value. If the h value is better than the current state, I will choose that node. Now that successor might not be a node which is current node's actual successor. Okay, this is helpful when there are too many successor, thousands and या उससे ज़्यादा successors एक node के हो सकते हैं. I can't evaluate all the successors to choose the best possible successor, or I can't implement, or I can't apply even the stochastic hill climbing. Then this could be the way I would go about. Okay, I can have a random restart hill climbing, and that's another variant of the hill climbing algorithm. Okay, and the last but not the least, so इसका थोड़ा explanation है, but in detail you need not go because you need not talk about it. But this algorithm, which is called as simulated annealing, this is mentioned in your syllabus. Earlier I had thought कि आपके syllabus में शायद इसका mention नहीं है, so you need to more concentrate on simulated annealing और उसका use in order to navigate certain issues related to the हिल क्लाइंबिंग एल्गोरिथम. और जो इशू ये नेविगेट करता है और सर्कमवेंट करता है वो इशू है लोकल मिनिमा का. मेरा जनरली एल्गोरिथम लोकल मिनिमा में फंस जाता है. स्टीपेस्ट हिल क्लाइंब और स्टीपेस्ट असेंट या हिल क्लाइंब और स्टीपेस्ट डिसेंट डाउन हिल प्रॉब्लम, दोनों प्रॉब्लम लोकल मैक्सिमा या मिनिमा में अटक जाते हैं. तो सिमुलेटेड अनीलिंग यूज करके मैं इस जैसे इश्यूज को सर्कमवेंट कर सकता हूं या अवॉइड कर सकता हूं. Okay, so we'll be talking about that in tomorrow's lecture. Now, currently we will stop the discussion, and I guess you need to put in your roll numbers. So your two pair in which algorithm you are telling me? Let me bring that image again to go up. Which algorithm you mean there are two pairs? There is the local maxima you are saying there are two pairs. Where that I need to first it's smaller. Go back to that image. सब बड़ा कर दे के रखा है मैंने. It's not hill climbing search. We'll wait for 2 minutes. मुझे वो पेज ओपन करने दो. मैं आपको पूछता हूँ बाद में क्या किस चीज का दो पेयर्स आप बोल रहे हो. Are you talking about 4.3b? In 4.3b there are two pairs. Acha, you are talking about this example that I was discussing. So if I place this queen over here, yes, there are two pairs in that sense. ये एक पेयर है और एक पेयर है. और भी पेयर हो सकता है. हमने देखा नहीं, देखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है because two pairs is sufficient to know it is going to be bad H score over the current H score, right? So I'm not going to I may avoid certain computations like this as well in order to make things faster, run faster. कि अगर मुझे वर्स दिख रहा है करंट से तो मैं ज्यादा आगे जाके कंप्यूट भी नहीं करूंगा, बोल दूंगा कि इससे तो ये वर्स्ट ही होगा. So that kind of bookkeeping things are always done in certain algorithms. In fact, in the informed search as well, we have certain algorithms which do that. Okay, so put in your roll numbers. I have not taken your attendance, so don't leave yet.